Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to turn on developer option in OnePlus phone or how to enable developer option in OnePlus Nord 5 phone. So here follow the steps. Open settings on your OnePlus phone. Scroll down. Tap on about device. Scroll down. Tap on version. Now here you have to tap on version number 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now you have to enter the screen lock password, and that's it. Now you are now a developer. Now you have enabled the developer option on your OnePlus Nord phone, and you are now a developer of this OnePlus phone. So now let's check the developer option on our OnePlus phone. Open the settings app, scroll down, tap on system and update, scroll down. Here you can see developer options. Tap on it. Now you can see that developer option is turned on. So by this way you can enable or turn on developer options on OnePlus Nord 5 phone or any other OnePlus phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.